Hello, hello. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. It's me. Hello, hello. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. It's me, David. And we are live. Hello. Nandito po kami ngayon sa... Yan po ang labas ng daycare ni Zoe. So, actually magkasama kami ni Ai. And kakatapos lang po ng work namin. And we are now here close to our home. And that is Zoe's daycare. Kung ngayong nakikita, nandiyan po siya. Malapit lang siya actually. It's just a 5-minute walk. And ito actually yung isa sa mga favorite ko ng mga day. Kaming dalawa ni Ai, this is one of our favorite is when we finish work and when we go to the daycare and see Zoe. It's one of the most amazing thing kasi si Zoe, she's so excited to see us. And yeah, we're just really happy to see her again at the end of the day. So yeah, bakit ba ako nag-live ngayon? It's been a while since I did this live video and it's actually a Monday. I've never done this. It's because I have a announcement to make, and this announcement is inspired by the mastermind a while ago within our community. So, yung mastermind na actually it was scheduled nung ano pa siya, March. Pero ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time kanina when I was having my break. I watched the mastermind. And in this mastermind, they're actually challenging us to do this 90-day Go Run Success Challenge. So this is a really, like for me, it's like a challenge that I want to take to myself. To be able to, alam mo yun, to see what will happen after 90 days. And first of all, I wanna give a huge thanks to Miss, sinulat ko yung pangalan. I don't wanna mess up her name. Her name is Araneth Hansel. She's actually Filipina and she's living in San Francisco, California. And thank you for making this challenge. Again, it's a 90-day challenge. It's called 90-day Go Run Success Challenge. Mainly, this is ano ba tong challenge na to? So this challenge consists of challenges or topics that you can do every day for the next 90 days. So you can do either go live, like what I'm doing right now, I want to do live, or you can do posts and reels. So it's just basically, to me, I wanted to do this to actually move the business, move forward, to create action, because we know that in taking action, we is equivalent to results. So ngayon, actually, hindi ko pa alam kung anong magiging resulta nito. I don't know, but I'm really excited because it's 90 day and every single day we have different challenges. We have different topics to talk about, to share. So basically, this is, I did this again just for me to take action, for me to have equal result for it. And I want to challenge myself. I want to go outside comfort zone, just like this. Talking to you in front of the camera is actually outside my comfort zone. And I know that, oh, wait, hi, Zoe's there. So ito na po ang ating chikiting, Zoe. Zoe, hi. Hello. Hey, Zoe. How are you? Hug Papa. Can you say hello? Hello to the people watching. May 1 million nanonood. Hi. And there's I.
Hello.
Yeah. So actually, di pa alam ni Ayon nung gagawin kong nakwento ko pa lang kanina. This challenge. Zoe, found a motorcycle? So yeah, nasa na ba ako? Bigla ako nawala. Yeah, so I'm doing this challenge to go outside my comfort zone, to grow as a person and see kung anong matututunan, kung anong learnings, kung anong experience na masishare ko sa inyo in this first of the 90-day challenge. Zoe, wait! So ito po si Zoe. Look at Zoe. Nandun po siya, naglalakad. Ganyan po siya. So, yung pong school ni Zoe, it's a 5-minute walk from our place. So yeah, nag-jump ako through one conclusion to another because this is live, this is unedited. So yeah, what did I say? Yes. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is for me to gain confidence in doing live, for me to gain confidence and to share more learnings to you guys, to share more insights, share my experiences on this journey on becoming a successful business owner, because I'm still in the journey of that. But personal wise, marami na nagbago sa akin through my mindset, through the way I think, through the stuff that I do. So for me, that's already a win. So yun po, no? Thank you. And this is actually the first day of this challenge. And the day one is introduction of the 90-day challenge. And this is the introduction of the 90-day challenge. And I'm so excited. And we have a lot of different topics to discuss in the coming days. I think day 2 is tell something about yourself. So I'm gonna tell something about myself, about that Bembis and Zoe and I. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Si Zoe po ay naglala. What are you doing, Zoe? What are you doing? Malalaman niyo po na makulit siyang bata na to kasi napakadumi po ng sapatos. Look at your shoes, Zoe. Yeah. Did you play in the sand a while ago, Zoe? Did you play? Zoe, where are you going? Zoe. Let's go. Go up. Zoe, run! Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. Zoe, run! Run! Let's go. Let's say goodbye. Yun, maraming salamat po sa oras na to. Do you wanna say goodbye?
Bye!
Zoe, dami ko pong dala. Bit-bit ko yung bag ko and bag ni Ai and my other bag. So maraming salamat po. Samahan niyo po ako bukas sa day 2 ng aking challenge ng 90-day Go Run Success Challenge, because I know at one point we are going to be successful and you are going to see the changes, and you samahan niyo po kami sa journey na to, in our journey on becoming a successful digital business owner. Maraming salamat po. Malapit na po kami sa aming bahay. See you again next time. Thank you po. This is David. Andun po si Zoe and I. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you po. Good night po. Thank you. Nakapagod. Bye.